Stop using images like this. Instead, use them like this or make it pop like this. The very first step is to open your Photoshop, voila. Then now you can either import your image or drag them from your Windows or File Explorer like this. Just drag it into your design, into your Photoshop like this, and voila, you have the image. Now press enter or click on this straight up. Now what is next is click on this image and voila, remove the background if you want. Now voila, we have the background removed. Let me hide this. So now we have this now. So what I will just do is, let me convert it to smart object first, then go over to filter, go over to camera raw and tweak the texture slider, increase it like this. Now keep on noticing some texture around it. Look at the clarity too. Now tweak this too. If you want, you can increase the clarity a little bit, or let's make it like this, increase it like this, or drag it like this. Okay, so then you can go over and make the grain, make it have grains to bring out that sharp texture. Then increase the lightning a bit, and that'll be it. Sharpen, make it sharp very well, and click on OK. Now we have it like this. Now let me show you the formal one and the edited one. So this is the formal one and this is the one we edited. Check out the difference. To add a little more sauce to it, you can now duplicate it, duplicate the layer and go over to soft lights and go over to the eye pass again. Now tweak it. Now can you see? Now let's see the difference now. This is the normal picture and this is the edited sharp one. You get normal one, edited one. So you can use this for your designs and make them pop. Thank you. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more hot content. Cheers.